Hi everyone, today in this video we will see how you can properly uninstall apps and programs in Windows. To do that, simply go to your browser and search for Revo Uninstaller. From the search results, click on the free option. Once you are in the web page, simply download and install it. After installing, run the program. Now once the program opens, you can see all the softwares and apps installed on your PC. Simply click on the app and click on uninstall. Uncheck the system restore option and click on continue. Now follow the on-screen instruction to uninstall. Once done, click on scan. Now from here select all and click on delete. Press yes to confirm. From here click on select all and then delete, and finally yes to confirm. That's it, the software is properly uninstalled now. So following this process, you can uninstall any application that are not required. So what are the benefits of proper uninstallation? It removes all the leftovers from Windows registry that will help you gain more drive space, and it will also increase the performance of your PC, and most importantly it addresses the 100% CPU usage that slows down your PC. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.